Frankly, snoring is funny on TV, but not in the bedroom. People come to me all the time and tell me that they're tired of the person in the bed next to them making noises, snoring while they're asleep. It's never them, it's always the person next to them. We have an appliance called Silent Night, which is like wearing retainers or a mouth guard, which can help position the lower jaw in the right position so that snoring is eliminated. It's very simple to get. It takes an appointment to make some impressions, and then after 10 days, the appliance is made and we seat it, and that usually takes care of the problem. I've been able to work with a number of patients through the years, so I understand the frustrations of either being the snorer or listening to it. Please make an appointment, talk about the snoring with me, and I'll be glad to either recommend an impression of that appointment, or you can come back at a later date. There's no obligation after that first appointment after we talk about the snoring.